Pompee Jr.
Hey, little friends! Look at all the construction vehicles playing together on the big sunny ground. They're having so much fun. But wait, here comes their leader, Mr. Crane. Mr. Crane has a big plan for today's work. He wants to make something really wonderful, and he's calling all his friends to come and help him. Let's see what exciting idea Mr. Crane has in mind.
All right, team, we've got a playground to build today. Everyone ready? I need all of your help to build this. Let's work together and make it amazing.
Ready? I was born ready. Let's move some dirt.
I hope you don't trip over your tracks again, Bulldozer.
This playground looks huge. I can't wait to start digging.
We build and spin. It's time to begin.
Okay, guys, let's start our work and make something amazing together.
Out of the way, dirt. I'm coming through.
Nice and steady. We don't want any mess, right?
Let's add some concrete to the mix. Whoosh!
Time to haul some dirt away, faster than a race car.
Oh no! Just as they were working so hard, the rain started pouring down.
Whoa, whoa! Who put soap on the ground?
Careful, Bulldozer. Let's take a break until the rain stops.
But what about our playground? We can't stop now?
Let's make the best of it and build a mudslide.
Wait, what if we cover the ground with rocks to keep from slipping?
Great idea, Excavator. Let's make a path of stones.
Rocks coming right up!
Back in action. No slipping this time.
Mix and pour. The rain's no more.
Almost there, just a few more pieces.
One swing here and a slide over there.
Look at that. It's perfect.
And just in time, the rain has stopped.
We did it, team. This is gonna be the best playground ever.
Great job, everyone. We built it together.
Now let's take a spin on the slide.
Woohoo! Playtime!
Race you all to the swings.
I'll meet you there. But no digging on the playground.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.